Yo, Aiden, this is just the start of the stream. You came in at a good time. We're having some technical difficulties. Um, so yeah. Just bear with me while I set everything up. Philippe, hello, thank you. Okay, I think are we working on YouTube now? Just bear with me while I... Okay, great. I think we're good. I think we're good. I think we are good to go. Yes. Oh, it's just the chat in... Okay, sorry, no. The chat, the Twitch chat and stuff is so small. Roshan, thanks for the sub. VCap. Oh, it's overlapping. Should I put one chat on this side? I guess I could. Or here. Alright, we're just putting chat over my face. No, we need my face here. I don't know, we'll see. You're in the UK and always catch me? Yeah. Don't worry, today I actually started my stream really late so I could catch everyone in the UK, mandem, you know. You get me. Okay, Sponge, thank you for the sub. Have you guys heard of OpenDevin? I'm sure you've heard of normal Devon, but this is OpenDevin, open source version. And I finally got it running. I tried to run it on my Windows computer, but I had some issues there. So I finally got it running on my MacBook, which seems like a lot of these types of programs people have just developed on their MacBook. So it's optimized for the MacBook. But this is in Docker, so it should work in Windows as well. It's just I have some issues with my Docker setup, unfortunately. But it's really simple. You don't even need to clone the repository. You just, if you have Docker installed, you just run this Docker command after you export your LLM key and your workspace path. But yeah, after you do that, it runs a UVcorn process in your local host, and this is it right here at port 3000. And yeah, it's pretty much Devon, an AI software engineer, so we're going to test that out, see how it performs. Test. VCap, you good? Are we good? Everything good on the Twitch and YouTube side? Let me double check Twitch and YouTube before I start. Yeah, so I'm streaming off my laptop today, which is a bit different to usual, and that's also because I'm practicing getting ready for when I go overseas in a few weeks. I'll be using my laptop there as well. I just saw someone chatted on the YouTube. Okay, all good? Sweet. Thanks, VCap. All right, let's get straight into it. So this is the first screen you see once you open Devon. Open OpenDevin. The configuration screen. We've changed some settings in the latest update. Take a minute to review so you can choose what agent you want to work with. Code Act agent, SWE agent, delegator agent, dummy agent, monologue agent, planner agent, commit writer agent. Wow, there's so many different specific agents, it seems. I think I'm going to pick the SWE agent. I don't know if maybe we can check their documentation to see is there... Okay, they have an agents page. Agents and capabilities. Hello, VCap. Thank you for confirming. So there's the Code Act agent. Okay, so they've only got docs for 3 of their agents here. You can see on the right side. Maybe not on TikTok, but everyone else could be able to see. Monologue agent, planner agent, and the Code Act. So it seems like Code Act may be the best agent they have, so I might use that one. It implements the Code Act paper. So this one, it says they actually do have web browsing, which is one feature that I really wanted. So if you look at their diagram for their Code Act agent, you can see it first goes into the environment. It does web search and browsing, software package tool, external memory, other stuff, interface. Wait, is that where's step 1? Okay, no, sorry. Step 1's here. You start with the user, you initiate the interaction. which is a natural language instruction or feedback. Then there's an observation. The agent thinks and does a plan using chain of thought, self-reflection, and improving action from prior observation. And then it does an action. And it either goes back to conversing with the user if it needs more information, I guess, or it goes on to code act, where it actually interacts with the environment, it seems. So they have an example here. Find the sum of the reciprocals of the roots of x to the 2 minus 13 plus 4. And it executes this bit of code to handle that. The environment gives back the code, I guess. And then what? The roots obtained are in symbolic form, which makes it difficult to evaluate the sum directly. Let's use the quadratic formula to simplify first. Okay, looks like it continues to try to figure it out. I'm not quite sure. Monkey Low Loving Bum says, hey bro, quick question. Is it possible to build an endpoint for Ollama running on a server? Yes. Yes, it is. So I actually have done it on a local network. I'm not sure if you want to do it on a local network or not, but I didn't use Ollama, I've used Llama-File, and it was pretty straightforward. If you want to run it on like just being able to access from the internet. Oh, it also depends. You want to do it on your local computer or on the cloud? I'm sure it's a lot easier on the cloud, but off a local computer, you'll have to probably do some port forwarding and stuff on your router to get it to be able to access on the internet, I think. To you, McGee, thank you for the follow, and Robotico, thank you for the follow. Sorry, to you, McGee, thank you for the heart me. John Power says use ngrok. Yeah, ngrok. I've only just recently started to use that because of Open Interpreter, but it's been really cool. Shouts out everyone that's just joined on TikTok. Welcome, guys. Okay. So yeah, that's kind of the code act agent. I think this is the newest one, so we might actually do that. You can execute Linux and Python, and I hope it can also do web browsing. That's not definitely confirmed. Browser output observation, maybe, or maybe that was planner agent. I don't know. So maybe I'll just leave it on code act agent. That was the default. We have a few models. Wow, there's actually quite a lot of models we can choose from. So many. But I've only put in my OpenAI API key, so I don't know if we can actually use all of these other models. Oh, there's even Ollama. If we type Ollama, we can see all the Ollama ones. That's really cool. Is there a Llama-File? No, there's no Llama. LM Studio, OpenAI, Open Router. I think I'm just going to use GPT-3 Turbo, the latest one. Which one is the latest one? Oh boy, it's actually quite a lot. They had this as the default. Should I just do this? Oh my god, so many. I'm just going to leave it at default. Oh, enter API key. I've already entered my API key. I hope it's still there. So I'm just going to click save. And here we go. Here is the user interface. It looks just like, kind of like the Devon demo did. We got our code editor, our chat. We have a browser. Looks like browser might work. I don't know. It says page could not load. I don't know if we can. We can't type here. There's a terminal, which is also read-only. There's also a Jupyter notebook, which is probably read-only as well. I think everything here is read-only. So yeah, we can let's give it something simple first. Let's say, oh, it seems like it's still initializing agent. May take up to 10 seconds. I feel like it's been more than 10 seconds. We might need to put in our API key here. A snake game, tried and tested snake game. We could do a snake game. I feel like snake game is too simple. People are bored of snake game. We need something else. Kind of simple. Okay, agent is initialized, great. Something a bit more impressive than a snake game. Yo, Skoy, good morning. Thanks for dropping in. This is OpenDevin. Open source Devon. What do you guys want to try out here? We could ask ChatGPT to come up with some ideas. Come up with 20 ideas for a simple... What about like a web app or something? Can you give them a FINRL repo and try to create a trade bot? Maybe. Alexander, hey. I feel like trade bots are something that it's kind of hard to like test in the real market. Like you could back test it, but to-do app, weather app, blog platform, recipe finder, calendar app, quiz app. Yo, Josh B, what's up? I've just got OpenDevin running. Open source Devon, software engineer AI. Flappy Bird? That's actually kind of like, there's so many Flappy Birds though, I feel like that's too easy as well. A good test for me is a password generator website. That's pretty simple. I think I kind of do want to do something simple, just to do it quickly. Password generator is good. And I won't give it like too many instructions. How about something just very simple, like make a password generator website? We'll see what it does with that. All right, you ready? Create a simple password. I won't say simple. Create a password generator website. All right, here we go. Oops, something went wrong. Great. All right, so damn it. Okay, looks like the OpenAI API key was not there. I have one here, OpenAI. I'm gonna have to revoke this afterwards. That's fine. Just use this one. I think we can configure it here. I guess it didn't have it save. All right, let's try that again. What happens if I refresh this? Okay. Same thing. Oh no, so it now needs to initialize, resume. Oh, we can resume. Okay, start a new session. Password generator website. Let's go. Alexander says, can we feed OpenDevin with knowledge data? I'm not sure. This is my first time trying it, so I'm not sure how it works exactly. If you can upload data or give it a link to a website or something. We're using GPT 3.5, so you can see it's pretty fast. To create a password generator website, we can use Flask to build a simple web app. Looks like it's created the workspace base. Oh, it says the Python code has been created. It's trying to add HTML code. It's saying this is the HTML code. Your randomly generated password is password. I'm going to say add a button to generate a new password. Because there was no button here. Let's see. You can do it with Cursor and it's really useful. Oh, that's cool. How does it work in Cursor? Like, do you upload files or does it just use files that it's in your project? Can it use Grok with Llama? Yeah, I think so. There were so many different options for the, if you go into the settings, I probably can't do it here. You got to stop the agent before configuring it. But yeah, there was like so many options for what model to use. Okay, looks like they've added a generate password function. I'm going to say it looks good, continue. I like this, I really like this user interface. You can see all the terminal things it's running too, which is really cool. It's saying no module name Flask, so that's pip installing Flask. By the way, this is running in a sandbox, so it's not actually using my computer's file system, it's running in its own sandbox. Yo, Paris Hilton, what's up? Wait, this is OpenDevin. Okay, Flask is running on port 5000. You can access it by visiting this location. So apparently it's running it. Now, I don't know, because this is in the sandbox, it seems we can't access this on my computer. I'm not sure how we access this. Okay, so it's got it in a Jupyter notebook. I'm not sure if it's actually running or not. Code executed. No, the code is in a... Wait, right? Code, password app.py. Okay, password app.py. Python password app.py server log. Okay, it's running it to the server log. Running. Okay, it looks like it is running. Command click here. I'm not sure how to access this though, because it's running in a sandbox. I don't think I can actually... This isn't my local host, so I'm not exactly too sure. Gonna have to read their docs or something. Alexander says you feed it the doc of the tech you're working on. Yeah, that's sick. Yeah, I've seen a bunch of tools and co-pilots that use that. The one I use, continue.dev, can also do that. Justin FT says run on the browser. That's a good idea. Let's say, can you open the link in your browser? The hosted link. Let's see if it can open it in its local browser. It says I don't have the open capability to open links in a browser. I don't know if that's legit or if it's just hallucinated. Is it in a container? Yeah, it's apparently in its own sandbox. I'm also running it in Docker. Oh yeah, live gang. Shit, I forgot to tell live gang we're live. Try the link? Yeah, I did try the link. Look. My local host at port 5000. Oh, it's saying access denied. It's not actually saying that it's 404. I'm just not sure that we can access it. I kind of want to see their docs, or we can look at their Discord. I just joined their Discord today, and I made my first pull request. Yay! I wonder if they merged it. Guys, I'm a contributor now for OpenDevin. Yes, I am! Check it out. Let's go. Let's go. Where contributors? Tech friend or AJ47. That's me. Number 92. Let's go. Contributor to OpenDevin. Okay, hold on. Let me see. How do we find like local host? Let's see. /index? No, I don't think so. Open up the links. Yo, Giggle Sticks. What's up, man? Long time no see. Hello, is this Devon? It was OpenDevin. What's up, Paris Hilton? Where's the folder with the files? That's a good question. Yo, Leo, good to see you as well. When you ran your Docker, did you set cont network equals host? Okay, let's do two things. I'm not sure. So I'm a Docker noob, so I might need your guys' help. I'll show you the Docker command that I ran. It was this. This was the Docker run sandbox workspace Docker add host. Is that the host thing? And the workspace that I'm in, let's see if it actually created files on my yeah, it actually did create the files locally saved. You have to open port 5000 on your computer as well. What? You for realsies? What? Look, a lot of people are having this issue. I think that there must be a way. The Docker file does not specify port 5000. I'm not sure. I didn't actually download the Docker file. I just got it off the host or something. Oh, there's a port here. I didn't put that in there either. Maybe I should have. Oh no, port 3000. But that's where the Devon itself is hosted. You should change the keys. Yeah, I'll revoke it. What ports do you see open on your PC? Interesting question. Maybe I should scan that. Please show me your notes/schedule real quick. It's a bit out of date, but the link's in my bio. Are you running this on a Docker container? Yes. You should grab the files and run it locally. That's a great thing. We could just do that. When you run your Docker, add this net equals host. Okay. All right, let's quit this Docker. Let's try. I'm going to try Rusty's suggestion because that seems like the easiest thing to do. Can I quit Docker with Control C? Doesn't look like I can. All right, did that quit it? Oh, it's still running. How do you quit a Docker? How do you quit a hosted Docker? I'm a Docker noob. Oh shit. Stop. Okay, we've stopped. What is this one? A static Johnson. Oh, it's also Devon. Stop. Okay, I hope that doesn't break everything. I've stopped the OpenDevin things. I'm gonna use D's. Wait, who is it? Wait, Rusty says -- net equals host, whereas D says -- host. Which one is correct? We could ask ChatGPT. Docker ps-a. Does that Docker stop? Wow, I'm learning so much. Thanks, guys. Docker ps. Does that show all the things? Looks like everything's exited. I feel like Rusty knows. Let's ask ChatGPT. How can I open the ports from servers hosted within Docker to be accessed from my machine, which is hosting the Docker? Dude, this is such an inception question. -p -- publish. Where to determine the ports? Default bridge. Maybe you can't. Maybe it's not possible. Docker -p. My image. You already have -p. You just haven't added. Oh, okay. So I gotta add every port. All right. Let's add the other port. Let's add 5000 as a port as well. How can I? Oh shit. I don't know how. How do I get a new line in terminal? I'm just gonna copy this in less or something in Vim. Okay. Okay. Oh fuck! It's not there. What the hell? Hold on. I got this. Does that work? Oh my god. No. Yeah, I gotta highlight it like this. Okay. Okay. I've got port 5000 now. No. Bind address already in use. Something's already happening on my port 5000 apparently. I have no idea what. Could it be Docker itself? That doesn't make sense. All right, well, fuck it. Let's just run. Let's just run. Let's just run the thing it made ourselves. No module name Flask. That kind of makes sense. Let's create a conda. Double check the Docker run command provided in OpenDevin documentation. Pay attention to the V flags for mounting volumes. It should look like this. Whoa, whoa, mastermind. Dude, how come we got all these experts in the chat? Hold on. Let's look at their command. There's no V flags. Export work. How did you copy that in? Oh, actually, you're right. Spike graphics, what's up, yo? You have too many containers running. I literally stopped all of them, dude. I should have no containers running. Yeah. Make sure the workspace environment is correctly set to the... Yeah, I think the workspace is fine. Because it put the files there. Do you guys use Conda? Should I be using... I've heard, like, don't use Conda, use the pipx. Could be better. Okay. Okay, oh, this says port 5000 as well. Bro. Why does it go... Is there a way to... Okay, let's change this to 8000. Maybe I just have something running on port 5000. I don't know what it is. Okay, there we go. Port 8000. But it's a blank screen. -- network host. .404. Wait. Hold on. Oh, no, that's correct. Turn render template index.html. There is no index.html. Oh, there isn't template. Use appliance. If you suspect that port 5000 is already used, use a netstat command to run. To find out which port. Okay, let's do that. Netstat dash TULPN grep. N? Wait. What's the TULPN do? Oh shit. Oh, this is a full netstat. Is this bad? Oh my god. Add that when you run your container. Okay, let's try that. -- network host. Shit. Wait. Can I do that? Fuck. This is so annoying. It feels not right to just run random commands from chat. Dude, there is no -- network. Wait, no, there's no -- add host. No. Oh, wait, hold on. I needed the slash. Oh my god. Ah, there we go. Damn it. 5,000's already used, of course. I forgot about that. Okay. What happened to your desktop PC? It's still here. My Docker, to run OpenDevin, you need like a specific Docker running on the WSL, and I just didn't have that. So I just quickly got Docker running on my computer, my MacBook. Okay, look, we got Docker back. Oh. Now it's not working at all. Should we restart Docker? Sudo service Docker restart. Get the Portainer running. Is that like a GUI? I don't think the issue is the commands. Is it? Alright, let's try that service restart Docker. Bro, I definitely didn't close it correctly. Oh, it's because I'm trying to close it with Control C, whereas I should be doing the Alright, let's just try to reset it like this. Retard. Restart. My service isn't a command, dude. Bro, how do we do a full restart? Can I just quit Docker and then restart? Oh, that was a restart button. I missed it. Check the only show running. Okay, that was probably a good idea. Sorry, we're just gonna restart Docker app. Wait, do I need to run the app? Let's see. Yes, I do. Okay. Let's try again. Okay. Will it work? No. Now it's not even loading. Oh boy, I broke it. Alright. Docker logs. Oh, and then I need the ID. What's the other one? Docker PSA. Okay. Up 35 seconds. Exited. Entry point. Created. Container ID. Okay. Fucking bro, I don't know. This one? Apparently it's running, but remove network host. Okay. That's actually probably a good idea. Oh, remove. Go to localhost, not 127. It's the same thing, dude. It's the same thing, look. Oh, this is already running. Hold up. How do I kill the Docker process again? Docker kill. How do I kill all? Is there no Docker kill all? If I delete one of these, does that mean I have to download the whole image again? Probably. Alright, we're just gonna stop that. Let's see, hopefully this time it works. Nice. At least it's running. What are we building? A password generator? Yeah, I guess. Okay, sweet, that worked. Okay. Rusty, dude, your command made it harder for me. Okay, can we... Error creating controller. What? Okay. Resume. We can resume the session. Apparently it's error creating controller. What does that mean? Resume. Visit this. Error creating controller. Run Docker PS to ensure your Docker is running. Make sure you don't need sudo. Docker is definitely running. Restart your computer. Oh, the joys of Docker. Alright, let me read chat. See everyone's suggestions. Check only show running sudo control sudo system ctl restart Docker. Final process. LSOF-I to see what is running on port 5000. Oh, there we go. Control CE. I'm not sure what that even is. Still need --P 5000. We could tell it to use another port. Start a new session. Control center. What is that? I don't know. Let's try a new session, a new task. Do a new session. Still getting this error creating controller. They're saying I might have to restart my computer. I might try system CTL restart Docker maybe. Docker madness for real. Looks like AirPlay. Oh. AirDrop. Maybe it was that. Let's see. Is that still? No, it's still. Have I used Perplexity? Yeah, Perplexity is great. Damn it. Okay. Let's try restart Docker with that command. System CTL, not a thing. Go to your Mac settings, sharing AirPlay receiver. What the hell is... AirPlay receiver. Allows you nearby Apple devices to send video and audio content to your Mac. Guess I don't really use that. Bro, why doesn't my thing work? Don't worry about it. I'm gonna do a restart of Docker again. Hail Mary. Because I can't restart the computer. That will... Yo, Kuno, thank you for the sub. For the follow. That will end the stream, unfortunately. I don't want to do that. Restart Docker and terminal. Did that work? Looks like it. Okay. Come on, third time's a charm. Damn it, same error. It's unfortunate. What says agents initialized? We can just try it. Let's try something else. Just like, alright, make a snake game, whatever. No. No agent started. Ah, this fucking ass, bro. Look at, There's an issue for it. It's WSL, which isn't me. That's a Windows thing. If you are using Linux. I had to add a user to the Docker group. You can do this. Do we need to do that? Oh no. Docker restart. Yo, what? Mastermind and Moagi had the exact same Docker alias? Okay, Mastermind thinks he can help. Let's see, Mastermind. Reinstall Docker? No, fuck that. I mean, actually, was that a suggestion? No. I think it was reinstallation guide, but it wasn't. Wait, no, that was for a different error. If you're on a Mac, check the permissions requirement. Oh, maybe it is. But why wouldn't it work the first time? Docker PS. Look, we just have that one Docker. What's this permissions requirement? Allow the default Docker socket. Default Docker socket. Even the option to name. How do we do that? Check your Docker containers you stopped. Oh, maybe we do need to start another one of the ones that I stopped. Because there was 2 running. You want to see the PID? 426. How does that help? Okay, so we have Intelligent KS. I think it was this one. Priceless, Herschel, image. They're all the same image. Why are they all different? I don't know why there's so many. Maybe I should delete all of them and just reinstall it. That's actually not a bad idea. I might do that one. Kill 426? Bro, the issue... I don't think the issue is this port anymore. Should we kill it? I think what I'm gonna do is that doesn't really make sense either. I was gonna say delete all the containers and then reinstall it, but I don't think that even makes sense. Oh look, you can see where we tried to run the... So it's like every time I try to run this Docker thing, it makes a new container. That doesn't seem right. I'm gonna delete all of them. Do I need to be running a different command the second time? It's pretty interesting. Oh, we can actually see the error as well. That's pretty cool. Setting agent state from state init. OSA script. The fuck is OSA script? Do I even have that? Oh, I full do. Alright, we're gonna try mastermind suggestion here. Kill -9 426 in brackets. Kill -9. Okay, let's see if it killed that. Nah, it's still running. Dude, what is OSA script? No, that wouldn't make a difference, bro. Here, I'm just deleting all the containers. And then we're gonna rerun the run app. And if that doesn't work, it'll probably be like a restart type of situation here. Docker network settings. Yeah, same error. Where's the network settings? Docker network ls, okay. Yeah, I don't know what to make of that. You just deleted it, it was called sandbox. Yeah, but it should create it again, no? Sarge, yeah, sorry. I don't think the issue is with the port 5000. It's just this, invalid volume specification workspace RW. Yo, oh, it could be that. Wait. I think, because I had to set, oh shit, my bad. I had to set the workspace workspace. Do I have to do that? I thought once you export something. Oh shit. Here. Devon workspace. Base. That could be it. It could be that workspace base issue. Holy shit, that was it! I fixed it! Yeah, call me the master debugger. Let's go. Alright, let's see if we can resume that last session. Probably need to help other people as well. Let's go back to that issue. I'm gonna let people know, because when you fix something, you should let other developers know. Otherwise, you're not a nice, not as, you know, you could be helping so many people. GitHub issue here. Okay, let's add my thing here. All right. I think we have Devon again. Where were we? Looks like maybe I couldn't reset the last thing, so we're gonna have to start something new. Maybe, I guess. So yeah, let's start something new. Password generator? No, let's do something different. Let's just do, I think, snake game. Maybe. Let's go. I just want something to work. Make a snake game. I feel like snake games have been done so many times. Surely it'll work. Let's see. Let's just see it run. This time we won't have any issues with hosting and ports because it'll be a local snake game. Do an RPG. I'm tired of snake games. Whoa, I just wanted something. I just like, surely a snake game will work. Then we can do something more complex. RPG? Anyone else have suggestions? Yo, Ludwin, what am I doing? This is OpenDevin. I think it's currently ranked the highest on the SWE bench, so it should be the best software engineer AI. It has access to its own terminal, its own code editor, and potentially its own browser, but I haven't seen it use the browser yet. Okay, let's see what happened. To create a snake game, Pygame has been loaded. Some issue with Pygame, supposedly. I don't see an issue here. Seems like the Pygame module is not found, even running the code. Let's try run the Python script directly in terminal. I'm just going to say continue, because it looks like it needs some reassurance. Subway Surfer type game. Mern stack app? Yo, tech guy, thanks for the follow. Is it stuck? It says agent is running task. I can't see much happening. Okay, so this is where the error was in the Jupyter notebook. Though it does seem quite stuck at the moment. We could just, alright, well, fuck it. Let's just start a new one. I just started a new chat. Let's go create a basic Mern stack app. Let's see. Can I create a full stack Mern app? I think Mern stands for what? Mongo? What's E? Electron? React Node? Maybe? Dude, it's stuck. It's full stuck. Let's see if we can see logs in... it got stuck on here. Python MVN snake. Very interesting. Okay, seems like there's a lot of work that needs to be done for this. E for Express. Ah, yes, Express. I feel like Mern is pretty outdated. We might need to restart the Docker container. Restart. Cannot restart. Why is there two now? What's this one? Sandbox at port 5000. Did they? I wonder if they, in their docs they have like a... How do you restart it and shit? They don't. And if I tried to restart it here, okay, looks like it kind of works. Could I get Devika to run? Yeah, Devika was kind of hard to run, but I got it running. But in the end, like, kind of similar to this, it's just they're so early, so riddled with bugs. Yeah. Yo, Adrian, what's up? We're trying to run OpenDevin on okay, let's just stop it. OpenDevin, the highest ranking, the SWE bench leaderboard. Does anyone host that? SWE bench. Oh, this is outdated. But supposedly, OpenDevin scores highest. OpenDevin SWE bench. Where do we see that? Here? Bro, where do I see that? Here. 21 hours ago. Previously, SWE agent was the best, but now OpenDevin with its Code Act 1.0 agent scores the highest on SWE bench. Yo, apologies TikTok, they're trying to stop a man from succeeding here. Okay, no, we're good. Don't waste your time with proof of concepts. I mean, you could, but if you just want to get Python files, yeah. Well, obviously, I'm not trying to create, just one of these basic apps for myself. I'm just trying to test these new apps. Leo and Giggle Sticks, thanks for the gifts. I'm not sure if I thanked you before. Should we try again? Is it okay? We got it back running. Try again. Let me just read some of these comments. AI is not stealing jobs anytime soon. Yeah. Could you ask it to virtualize a sorting algorithm? Oh, that's cool. I don't even know how that would work, but yeah. I mean, I'm just gonna ask it whatever you guys say. Oh, we have the snake game here. What the hell? Oh, I think that's probably an old one. But I said, this is a new session, so let's just ask it. Visualize a sorting algorithm. How about like make an app to visualize a sorting algorithm? So I don't know. Let's try that. Ahmad, hello bro. Quick question. Is the open voice repo usable for any language or just the mentioned one? It said any language. Now, obviously, that's a pretty bold claim, so I don't know how legitimate that is. But yeah, it said any language. I don't know. I only tested out Australian English, but yeah, it said any language. Which sorting algorithm should we visualize? I don't know. Merge sort? You have a browser tab? Yeah, but it's read only. Like I couldn't put anything in the browser tab. BOGO sort of. I haven't even heard of that one. Are we approaching 1 out of 3 resolutions? Nah, I don't know. 21, and this is only like 21% of pass at 1. I feel like it's, you know, very limited to real world. Okay, let's start by implementing the merge sort algorithm in Python. It's waiting for me. It looks like I do have to tell it to continue. I mean, this is kind of the case with like every agent. It sometimes just needs a little nudge. And it says I'll be trying to see if Arabic works. Yeah, cool, man. Let me know how it goes. Ask it to create a game of life with 2 teams, 1 black and 1 yellow. The yellow team has 40% more life, but the black team has 40% more space. That's a pretty cool idea. We could definitely try that next. Okay. Let's run this code to see the sort of list. Okay, run it. Let's see, where can we see this? In the Jupyter notebook, I assume? Code editor? Nowhere. Okay, no, Jupyter notebook. Okay. So it's ran the thing. Next step, we can proceed to visualize the merge sort. By the way, this is only GPT 3.5. I might try GPT 4 next when we do the game of life, because obviously GPT 3.5 and 4 is a huge difference in capability. It's good to see it at least doing something. We'll use matplotlib to create the visualizations. Let's proceed. Okay, continue. I like how to tell it to continue every message. Doesn't auto scroll down either. Let me install matplotlib. I still have to like tell it to continue. Why? How is that so annoying? There we go. Finally some stuff in the terminal. Matplotlib has been installed. Let's implement the visualization function. Continue. There needs to just be a button so I don't have to keep typing continue. Maybe I can just press send. I don't know. We'll see. Let's create it. Okay, it's writing code. Single shot Frogger game. I don't know, it's pretty bad at single shot. Well, this is a 3.5. 3.5 is getting me to like say continue every 5 seconds. Mano, thank you for the sub. Let's run this code. Continue. All right, here's the moment of truth. Can we see the visualization of merge sort? Oh, we got an error. Matplotlib wasn't installed. Is that because it was installed? Yeah, installed it in the terminal, whereas I guess the Jupyter notebook is a different environment. Make it create a bot to type continue for you. Oh shit, thank you for the donation, Wendell. Thank you so much. 10 BRL, super chat. What is BRL? I don't know what currency that is, I might have to have a look. Continue. Let's see Wendell. Oh, we got 19 people on YouTube. That's amazing. Wendell Pereira. Pereira. Thank you so much. I don't know how much RBL is. Oh, it's a Russian ruble. It's about 1 cent. So 10 would be 10 cents. Appreciate you. Thanks for the follow, Dirty Bob. Alright, I'm gonna continue with merge sort. It, like, I don't know where I would see this. Like, I assume maybe probably in the Jupyter notebook. I don't know, like, when, if it tries to run apps, where I would see them. And why is it writing the code again is also another question. Run it! Come on, you can do it. You can do it, OpenDevin. Am I from Australia? Yes. Bloody oath, mate. True Blue, Aussie Fair, Dinkum, Battler Cobber. Issue with importing Matplotlib again. Oh, that's not very good. What am I going to do with those 10 cents? Bruh. I'm going to pay for 10 tokens. 10,000 tokens. Yo, Adarsh. BRL is Brasilia. It's like $2.98. Oh, thank you, Wordell. Sorry. I must have typed RBL instead of BRL. My bad. Thank you. That's excellent. $3. That's a lot better than 10 cents. Thank you so much. Okay. Let's try the game of life with GPT-4. We're going to start a new task. I'm sick of this GPT-3. I don't think it's good enough. We're going to go GPT-4. We want the 2024 version. Pretty sure that's the best. Save. All right. Create a game of life type app with 2 teams. Red cells and blue cells. Yellow cells. Alright, let's just start with that. Let's see how that goes. Your face when it said 10 cents was wild. Was it? I kind of want to see that. Alright, GPT-4 is a lot slower. Alright, let's see my face here. It looks normal. This is a normal face, bro. Alright, creating game, basic game. Running slowly. Got an error. It tried to do it in one shot. That's pretty cool. Yo, Brandon, what's up? We're testing OpenDevin. Open source Devon. Why did it try to... Game of life has been created. I'm trying to create the game of life with 2 teams. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. For some reason it restarted. Agent is still running a task. I don't know what happened. We'll let it do its thing. You don't sound Aussie to me. Yeah, I definitely don't have a strong Australian accent. I kind of have a bit of a mixed American accent. Not enough swear words. I try not to swear on live too much. Can Claude be used with OpenDevin? I think so. It seems to be able to run with any model you want. What's my setup like? At the moment, this is just my MacBook. I am running a Sony camera, but I don't think I need to. But I do have that. I also have my normal computer is a 4090. No, I wish. It's a 2080 Ti with a Intel i9 990. Well, interestingly, it says it's checking its own server log to see what caused the issue. It's still running, I'm not sure. Let's see what happens. It needs that new GPT-2, yeah. Apparently that one's really good, like better than GPT-4. Tell it to use a Pygame. Yeah, we could. What company do you work for? I don't work for any particular company. Am I gonna upgrade to the M4 chip? Yeah, I've been thinking about it. Yo, Ups, thanks for the gift. Yeah, maybe. No, actually not a huge urge. My laptop's fine at the moment. There's no like really amazing models you can run locally either. Like I'm okay with waiting. I feel like if I wait a year, I feel like next year we'll have some amazing chips and amazing models. So I feel like I'm just gonna wait a bit. This Mac is the M1 Pro. Yeah, so it's enough for it's kind of like very similar to my 2080 Ti, which has like 11 gigs of VRAM. So it's like enough for 7B models at like 8 quantization, F8 or Q8 quantization, but nothing more than that. Mac Pro versus 4090, yeah. I think the 4090s are just slightly better. But the Mac, I don't know, like especially if you're doing all this like Devon open source agent shit, they're all like optimized for Mac, unfortunately. It's insane. Single Shot gave me enhanced snake game like a Frogger game, no errors. I also had asked for a snake game, but I misspelled snack game, and it sure as hell made a snack game for me. Nice. Was that GPT-2? Okay, I have a feeling that this is stuck. So we're gonna refresh. And it should say that we had a session. Oh, yes, here we go. Resume session. Okay, again. It's saying that the server is live on that port, which we could not access. Wait, do Docker containers have their own IP? Do they? How does this shit work? I don't know. I might just run it locally. Should I ask? I'm gonna ask on their Discord. How do I run apps, etc., that are hosted from within OpenDevin container? Docker usually defaults to 172.17. Is it 172.17 slash 16? I feel like the browser doesn't work. What are y'all saying? Can you quickly cover how you'd run Llama 3 local chatbot with your own code? You'd need to use some RAG framework. I think I can show you. Yeah, ChromaDB, as John suggested, is one. There's also... Is it these? There's also these. Tasking AI, Diffie, Flowwise. I think you can do it with those as well. a look at these three. And run Llama 3 with like LM Studio or Llama File or something. Or Ollama. What I think about developers' future jobs, will AI take away our jobs? Maybe in 5 years. But at the moment, it can barely do anything. It's more of an assisting tool. I think it'll be that way for the next 2 years at least. But maybe after 3 years, we'll start to be worried. But we can definitely see where this is going. It's definitely going towards a direction of taking more and more jobs. But it won't just be developers. Do you need to use RAG or is fine-tuning better? RAG is normally better for like adding knowledge. Fine-tuning is more for like style. But yeah, you can add knowledge with fine-tuning. It's just not very effective or efficient, or could be expensive. At least that's what the consensus was. I think like that's changing, but yeah. Nothing else. What's single shot? I think it means just like one answer. You don't have to keep prompting it. Adrian's running 24090 is nice. You can manage networks with Docker. Well, Portainer helps with that. Oh, okay. Might have a look at Portainer. A lot of people are suggesting that. Ports on Docker are internal. You need to use network mode equals host. Yeah, that's what someone else said. I guess they were right. Although I had some trouble with doing that. Turn off AirPlay, read my comments. Try localhost 5000. Alright, man, I'll turn off AirPlay. There we go, it's off. I bet you it still won't work. See? Tasking AI is really good. Oh, nice. Alexander, have you tried Diffy, D-I-F-Y, and how does that compare to Tasking AI? What are we working on? This is OpenDevin, the leading open source software engineer. We got it to create a game of life app, but we're having troubles accessing the hosted apps. When AI takes over coding, what happens to developers? We'll have very different looking jobs. Centrelink. Yeah, UBI. Then open --p 5000 5000. The hell is dash? What do you mean? A terminal? The fuck is this, bro? Is this gonna work? Is this how you open ports in Mac? Why is there two 5000s? This makes no sense. Right, you're gonna have to. Oh, okay, you put that in the, okay. I think I see what you mean. You put that in the Docker run command, right? How do you kill Docker things? Oh my god, why is there so many? Like this, Docker kill. Oh shit, it worked. Did not expect that. Whoa, what the hell is control? Whoa. Docker kill. Okay, we've killed the Dockers. Now we're gonna run the thing again with 5000. Okay, let's see. No? Yes. Oh, should we remove network host? Every time you run OpenDevin, it creates a new container. Yeah. Is that meant to happen? I'm a Docker noob, so I don't know how it's meant to work. Why doesn't it reuse the old container? What language are you using? I think it's using Python. Okay. We've reran the container. We've got port 5000 we've got it in the Docker availability. I don't know. Oh shit, did I not resume the session? Oh shit, I didn't resume the session. Oh, here we go. Resume session. No, I did resume session. Run the game of life we created earlier. Can it do that? Can you use Docker Desktop on macOS? Yeah, I think that's what I'm running. It won't work until you turn off your AirPlay. I did turn off the AirPlay receiver Sarge. I don't know. I did it kind of quickly. Maybe you didn't see it, but check it. AirPlay receiver is off, Sarge. It is no longer on. Seems like we haven't created the game of life. Oh, shit. Alright, hold on. I'm just going to get it to create a basic... Wait. Run a basic web server running to return hello on port 5000. Okay. Let's just see if that works. Dirty Bob was having the same issue. Nice. Okay, not just me. It's because they don't have container name assigned. Ask it to provide an IP. It's not a bad suggestion. Try Maestro. It's way better than Devon or Devika. Not according to this SWE bench, but I haven't actually heard of Maestro. What's Maestro? Is it this? I don't think it's this. See, look at this. OpenDevin 21. Mobile UI automation. Sick. I don't think that's what you meant, but that's pretty cool. Okay, we have a server running at local 5000. Nothing. Dorian Darko Maestro. Dorian Darko Maestro. Framework for Claude, Opus, and local LLMs to orchestrate sub-agents. Okay. Features. Break down objective into manage subtasks. Subtasks with haiku. Detailed exchange log. Save the exchange. Creates code files. But does it run the code files? Okay, I haven't heard of this. I'll put this in my stream backlog. All right. The guy who created it typically runs it with Opus and Haiku. Oh. Are you talking about Maestro or OpenDevin? Very interesting. Yeah, I mean, we still haven't figured out how we're meant to actually run these things. Let me see. If I search 5000 here. No. Nothing. Okay, well, I might do this off in my own time. But yeah, I appreciate everyone for joining this stream. That was OpenDevin. It works at a basic level. Hold on, actually, there's one more thing I want to try. And that's to see if the browser works. So I'm going to try a new session. I'm going to say find a code snippet from the docs OpenAI Python. Let's just get I'm just going to feed it a link. See if it can go to it. Will the browser work? Okay, let's proceed. No, we tried to run a terminal command to do that. I don't think the browsing works yet. Localhost 8080 doesn't work? I don't know, I didn't try it. Nothing, no. No one ever says no. Oh, Elmo, yo, what's up? Oh, you caught me as I was about to leave. Have I used Copilot? No, actually I haven't used Copilot like GitHub Copilot. I've used some similar tools like Continue Dev, open source version of GitHub Copilot. Thanks for the follow, MySpace, JD. Silly Ant likes Copilot. Yeah, I think Copilot's good. It was definitely one of the first good ones, but like I feel like a lot of other players are catching up now. Yeah, guys, we are approaching midnight. I'm gonna wrap up the stream. I think it actually went pretty good in terms of the quality. The one thing I don't like is I think the chat. I actually might do some stuff about the chat while we're here. It's just this chat is too much. Probably going to trim it with a filter. I'm also wanting to going to add a crop. We'll crop the top by 600. Okay. Make it a bit bigger. Your morning in the West? Yeah, I try to do my streams at different times because obviously the audience is worldwide and some people are awake at different times. Have I used AutoGPT? Yes. AutoGPT was the first autonomous agent that really was like, gave us a vision of what the future would be like. It was amazing. Bro, that vid about YouTube to MP3 was crazy. Yeah, Lazy AI. I've actually tried to make the app a lot further with them. They're an amazing team and an amazing vision as well. Unfortunately, like it's just a lot slower than I thought it would take me to make these things. And there's a few issues with that, but I think these issues are going to be fixed because they're releasing a VS Code extension. So like a lot of the manual file changing will be a lot faster, and that was like kind of one of my main issues with it. So I can't wait till they have a VS Code extension. I think I'll be trying it again. 4 p.m. for Alexander. Yeah, it is 11:43 for me here. So yeah, kind of late. But yeah, thanks so much. Cody, sorry you caught me as I was leaving. We tested out OpenDevin, which has the highest SWE bench light results supposedly. So I was excited to try it, but I think it's still a long way before that stuff is reliable. Also, maybe it could be a bit of user error. I didn't know how to access some of the web servers and stuff that it ran. But yeah. But yeah, thanks you guys so much again for watching. Please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube and such, and I will be making more content. Hope you guys enjoy this type of content. AI agents and coding, that is my jam. Thank you so much, and we'll see y'all later. Peace. Once I figure out how to end the stream.